Hi, how you doing today? Today we're at Egg Harbor Township Nature Reserve. We're gonna walk one of the trails. We were here one other time, like about 2 years ago, and it was nice. It was summertime though, so it's pretty crowded today, so I'm hoping the trails aren't crowded. So we're gonna go check it out. Bye. Here's the trail map. Which trail are we taking? The blue one? Well, the orange one's 3 miles. So I guess we're gonna take the blue one. It goes around the lake. That's the one we took before, I think. So we're gonna go check it out. Here's another sign telling you a little bit about it. Here's the big sign. Tells you all the rules. And then over here, I don't think this is what it's supposed to be used for, but looks like they have like a little lost and found thing. Okay, we're starting off really good. We came to a fork in the road, and it doesn't tell us which direction is which trail, so I guess we're just gonna pick the left one. Okay, we want to be down there by the lake, so I think we're gonna just go down this little path, and that'll take us closer to the lake. I guess that's the other way down here. Looks a little steep. Some fun facts about this trail. This was the first trail that I ever vlogged. I borrowed my son's old ancient GoPro. He had a GoPro 4. Had no stabilization in it, so the whole entire video is like bouncing up and down when I walk because it had no stabilization. I had no idea how to work the camera. It was the very first vlog I ever did. If you go to my channel, I think it's like the second one that's posted. It's also the first trail that I almost died. We went in, when did we go?
May, I think.
Was it 10th?
The 70s.
So it was May in the 70s, and we got about, probably not even halfway done the trail, and I got so hot. And I just couldn't cool down. It was so hot. And by the time we got back to the parking lot, I just like collapsed next to one of these trees. I couldn't even make it back to the car. I had to sit there for like 15-20 minutes, drink some water. I guess I had heat exhaustion. Never had that before. I never want it again. That was horrible, horrible. But fun fact, trail tried to kill me. I don't know what that is. Moss? It's like all over the bottom of these trees. Like the first little body of water we came to. It's got some kind of little like rock pile out in the middle. I don't know if we can see anything or not. It's pretty clear on the edges. Don't see anything moving though. I don't see any fish. Another little batch of water. Super clear. A little bit of a hill here. There's another trail up top. But we are down here. The lake. Lots of dogs here. We're clear along the edges. Then out further it's like plants, so you can't really see. There's a guy out there fishing. There's people over here getting ready to go out. We found steps. So I guess this is how you're supposed to get down here from the top. We just went down like a little muddy hill. It's kind of nice. There's steps. It's more of the lake. It's like a big mud puddle. This area has a little teeny beach. Well, I ungracefully went across a little crossing back there. And one foot got soaked. It's not really that nice out today. It's in the 40s. A little breezy, not too bad. But it's very cloudy today. So sun's not out. It's like water everywhere. Right there looks really deep. It's like a huge branch. Oh, we missed Toby trying to go across gracefully. Missed it. Okay, we're braving it. We walked across the mud. Trying to get back to where we were before. It's another little lake. This all looks like it was had water in it at some point. The ground's really uneven. So I don't know if the lake used to come all the way up here. I don't know. There's those geese I saw earlier. We climbed up a little hill. And this was the view. It's like a big beach down here. Well, I guess we can't follow the water all the way around because we got a little further and there was a sign. Protected area, access not permitted. Here's some mushrooms. I wonder if they made this sign just for me. They have cedar chips or wood chips on the path, and then there's this little wood platform, a big pipe underneath. So I guess the water sometimes comes all the way up to here. But if you stand on the platform, the water's way out there. Okay, we're gonna follow the wood chips. Not sure if this is an actual trail or not. There's some deer prints. Well, so far the trail has not been that wildly exciting. So I guess this is the end of the lake. Some pretty pine cones. Cute little trail part goes through the woods. Still more of a path going through the woods. Made a bench. Oh, that's adorable. We have not passed one bench this whole time. Not one. This is the first bench that we've seen. I think we're getting closer. I do see a bench over there. Actually, I see two benches. But I'm not sure if they're on this trail or the trail above us. I watched my first video before we came out here. And I remember the spot with all these rocks. They were right along the edge of the water. They're not now. Here's the water. Here's the rocks. Oh, it's a canoe, kayak, and non-motorized vessel launch. This lake is unguarded. Use at your own risk. I guess that's where you're supposed to launch from. There's a wide shot of all the rocks. And the first bench we came across. I guess this is the other end of the lake. There's some ducks. They put all the benches at the end. How weird. Guess they figure you're tired. Maybe they don't figure you need them at the beginning or the middle. It's a really cool tree. And then That was one of the concrete things. But somebody painted it all pretty. Isn't that cute? Painted rock. We painted some of the inside. Wonderful. Painted flowers. That's really cute. Oh. How well you can see that. It says be kind. I think we're almost there. When we get to the top of this hill are cars. So right before the parking lot there's a pole with different color arrows showing you which way the trails are. But the parking lot tells you one way and tells you not to come this way. It tells you to go the other way. It's a very odd place. Well, we made it back to the car. It was a nice walk, I guess. It was supposed to be 1.25 miles, but it was really long. Didn't it seem longer than that? Mm-hmm. Way longer than that. But it was kind of a boring trail, even though you were by the water. So maybe when it gets a little warmer, maybe there'll be more to look at, or maybe we'll try one of the other trails that aren't right around the lake. So I don't know, but it was a nice afternoon. We got out of the house, and we'll see you in our next adventure. Bye!